everybody, it's Wildfield's video here, and today I am going to give you a tour of my schleich farm animal collection. Let me know what you think, because I got quite a few of these guys. To start off, we have this little rabbit hutch, which is pretty cool. And I also have some fences for this rabbit hutch. So first up, we have this little dwarf-eared floppy rabbit. He's super cute. And we'll stick him right in his bunny hutch. Next up, we have this little Oreo-colored rabbit who's cleaning himself. I like this one a lot. It's super cute. Next, we have this little standing rabbit. I also am a big fan of this guy. And then we have this little guy who's just kind of munching and minding his own business. Let's put him there. Then we have this little white snow hare who is now a tame bunny. We have this little lang floppy-eared bunny who I think is adorable. We have this little brown rabbit. This is one of the newer schleich bunnies. We'll put him maybe going up the rabbit hutch. You can't really see him back there. We'll stick him right here. One of the newer released schleich. This is the newest bunny rabbit I have. Little gray floppy-eared bunny. And I have this one little baby bunny who is attached to a red bowl, so now he's not bleeding, but I cut him off of the bowl with the other rabbits, and I don't have the other ones anymore. But he's super cute as well, so we'll just stick him right there. So these are all the bunnies I have. If you're on a farm, of course you need some pigs, so we also have some little piggies. Super cute. And I also have her piglets. This is the sitting piglet, and this is the standing one. The set came with both little piggies. As well at the farm, and we also have some chickens. So we have this little pecking chicken. Very cute. This standing hen is also adorable. This painted version of the standing hen. And this little chick, who was also a part of a set, who I no longer have the rest of. Also forgot to mention that I have this cute little rooster. Our farm is starting to look pretty crowded. I have some geese for the farm. This is the schleich white goose. And now we have some popo. Oh no, we have another schleich geese. Another schleich goose. He is a gray goose. And I actually have two of these guys. Pretty cute. And we also have this large standing goose by schleich. And I'm a big fan of this model. We'll stick him in the back. He kind of takes up a lot of space. And we also have a popo goose right here. Just a little white goose. Beyond the geese, we also have some ducklings. These are a part of a set that I cut as well. And I actually have two of these guys. 1 and 2. Pretty cute. Next up, we will be showing off our cats. So first up, we have this schleich gray cat. Who's just kind of sitting and minding her own business. Full sitting gray cat. We have a schleich standing gray cat. This is one of my favorite kitties. Next up, we have one of the newer Schleich cats. This was an exclusive. And I also am a big fan of this kitten. Next up we have, this is my newest Schleich cat that I own. This little girl, I believe she's a ragdoll. Schleich ragdoll cat. It's also just really cute. Now we have a Popo cat. She's gray, I mean orange. Sorry, she's an orange striped tabby. Her name is Sunflower. And we have two kittens. These were a part of a rug set. There was a third kitten that I no longer have. But I cut these guys off as well, and you can kind of see where they've been cut. They were attached at the hip, kind of like this. These are the kittens. So these are all of my Schleich cats. I'll be showing you my sheep. First up is this guy. He's got a little halter lead on, and he can be led away. I also have two more of this guy, so kind of a lot. On top of these three, I have the black version of this sheep. And we also have this cute little black sheep. I also have some lambs. We have this little bling lamb. And we also have this really cute laying down lamb, which I really like. These are my sheep. Next up, we have some donkeys. So these are the sheep, and they're super cute. Next up, we have some donkeys. I have this old little donkey. It's an older Schleich. And I also have this Popo donkey baby, which is just so cute. He's got the longest little legs. So got my little donkeys. What farm is complete without cows? So of course I have some cows as well. I have this Schleich Longhorn cow. And I also have the little calf, which is just adorable. Her and her mom are twinning. I also have this giant spotted cow that is Popo. Just got those giant udders. And I also have one giant bull. He's got a little nose ring, you can see. In this video I also have this Schleich bull. He was away from the other ones. These are all of my Schleich farm animals. And I love all of these guys. All my Schleich farm animals.